Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, an unknown network error has occurred, so you will see this miss. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just reopen it again. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just tap on it, just turn off Wi-Fi and turn on again. And if it doesn't help you, and if you're using mobile data or cellular data, just turn off and turn on again. And if you still have this issue, so just go to the general. In the general, just find here, scroll down, just find here shutdown, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. And if it doesn't help you, you just need to go to the general again, and in the general you need to find reset and just tap on reset network settings. So just submit resetting network settings. And if you still have this issue, so you can also try to update your Instagram app. So just go to App Store, just find go to search tab, just write in search tab Instagram and just find here Instagram, just tap on open. So if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and you will successfully update your Instagram app. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.